Should dogs sleep in your bedroom? If you're wondering whether your dog should sleep in your bedroom, you're not alone. Many pet owners grapple with this decision, and there are several factors to consider. First, let's talk about the benefits. For many dogs, sleeping in the same room as their owners is a big reward. It makes them feel close and comfortable. In fact, a lot of dogs benefit from the 6 to 8 hours of social proximity to their humans, even if there's not much interaction happening during the night. Sleeping with your dog can also have some positive effects on you. Many pet parents report feeling safer and more secure with their dog by their side. Your dog can act as a furry hot water bottle, keeping you warm on chilly nights, and the sense of comfort and security can help you fall asleep more quickly and sleep more deeply. However, there are also some potential downsides to consider. One of the main concerns is how it might affect your sleep. If your dog is a restless sleeper, moves a lot during the night, or makes noise, it could disrupt your sleep. Studies have shown that while some people's sleep efficiency is not significantly affected, others might experience longer times to fall asleep and feel more tired the next day. Another thing to think about is allergies. If you or someone in your household is allergic to dogs, having your dog in the bedroom could worsen allergy symptoms due to pet dander. Hygiene is another factor. Dogs can bring dirt, hair, and potentially even diseases into your bed. However, if you maintain good hygiene practices, such as washing your sheets frequently, using a waterproof mattress cover, and keeping your dog clean, these risks can be minimized. If you decide to let your dog sleep in your bed, there are some tips to make it work smoothly. Make sure your dog is potty trained and crate trained first. Teach your dog boundaries so they need an invitation to get on the bed. Providing a dog bed or crate near your bed can also be helpful. It's also important to consider your dog's preferences. Some dogs get too hot when sleeping in a bed and prefer to lie on a cool floor. Others like to change sleeping quarters several times a night, so sleeping at ground level might be better for them. Ultimately, whether your dog should sleep in your bedroom is a personal decision. If it works for you and your dog, and you're both comfortable and getting good sleep, then it's perfectly fine. But if it disrupts your sleep or causes other issues, it might be better to have your dog sleep on the floor or in another room. So, the next time you're thinking about where your dog should sleep, consider what works best for both you and your furry friend.